The Moon's south pole is one of the most mysterious and promising places in our solar system. At this extreme latitude, the Sun never rises high in the sky, leaving some craters in permanent shadow for billions of years. These shadowed craters are colder than Pluto, reaching temperatures so low that ice delivered by ancient comets has remained frozen in place. Scientists believe there may be vast deposits of water ice hidden there, enough to support astronauts with drinking water, breathable oxygen, and even rocket fuel. But just above these dark, frozen basins lie towering ridges called peaks of eternal light. Unlike the shadows, these ridges are bathed in near-constant sunlight, making them an ideal source of renewable solar power. Nowhere else on the Moon combines both abundant energy and essential resources in such close proximity. That is why NASA's Artemis program has chosen this region as the first destination for astronauts returning to the lunar surface. By exploring the South Pole, humanity hopes to build the foundation for permanent bases, launch pads, and even future journeys to Mars. The Moon's South Pole is more than just a destination, it is the gateway to humanity's future in space. True or false, temperatures in shadowed craters are warmer than Pluto's surface. False. They are actually colder, reaching below -230 degrees Celsius, colder than Pluto itself. What resource is believed to exist in large amounts at the Moon's South Pole? Water ice. Fill in the blank. Some lunar craters at the South Pole are in blank shadow. Permanent shadow. Fill in the blank. Temperatures in shadowed regions can drop below blank degrees C. -230 degrees Celsius. Peaks of eternal light are special because they receive nearly constant sunlight. If an astronaut rover travels 90 kilometers at a steady speed of 15 kilometers per hour, how long will the journey take? To calculate time, we take the distance, 90 kilometers, and divide it by the speed, 15 kilometers per hour. Doing the division, 90 divided by 15 equals 6. That means the rover would need 6 hours to complete its journey across the Moon's South Pole terrain, assuming it moves at a constant pace with no stops. True or false? Some craters at the Moon's south pole remain in permanent shadow. True. Fill in the blank. The resource most sought after at the South Pole is blank. Water ice. Why does ice survive in the South Pole's craters? The temperatures are extremely cold. Fill in the blank. Peaks of eternal light receive almost constant blank. Sunlight. True or false? NASA chose the South Pole as a target because of its abundant volcanic activity. False. The main reasons are the potential water ice reserves and near constant sunlight on nearby peaks, not volcanic activity. If an astronaut rover travels 6 kilometers per hour for 8 hours across the lunar surface, how far does it go? Take the rover's speed, 6 kilometers per hour, and multiply it by the time, 8 hours. First, 6 times 8 gives us 48. That means the rover would cover a total of 48 kilometers as it moves steadily across the lunar surface at the Moon's south pole. The Artemis program plans to land astronauts near the Moon's south pole. Fill in the blank. The Moon's axial tilt is only about blank degrees, keeping polar craters in shadow. (1.5 degrees). If a signal is sent from a lander 380,000 kilometers away and reaches Earth in 1.27 seconds, what's the signal speed? To calculate speed, First, convert the distance from kilometers into meters. Since 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, 380,000 kilometers becomes 380 million meters. Now, divide that distance by the time, 1.27 seconds. The result is about 299 million meters per second, almost exactly the speed of light. How did you do? Tell us in the comments below. And thanks for watching Brainy Kids. We hope you had fun today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a quiz. See you next time, Brainy friends.